So let's start. For that we are going to do plus sign as a guideline, little bit angle, or you could say alphabet X. Now we have to draw a square over here, so I will take this much size here, same size this side, same size here, and same size here, and I will draw one square for the head. So now this is the top part, so I will chop here and make it the head over here, arch style, and this one I will chop here, here, and then curve it for the chin. Let's erase the outside lines and make these lines a little bit lighter. So this line looks very straight to me, so I will try to curve this one and this one. And this was my guideline over here. So under this one I'm going to draw the eye, big or small, totally up to you. And I will just get the idea, one is here, another one is here, and then a smiley face or laughing style, totally up to you. If you want to draw eyebrows, eyelashes on these, you can add. Now this is the line, plus sign line over here, and this is the another plus sign line touching here. Now between these two here almost, okay, I'm going to draw kind of like a curvy line. If you want body to be big, you can draw big line. If you want a small, you can do small. Small is for cute, so if you want a small body, you can do small body over here for the cute one, cute version if you want. And you have to do double this one this way. It can go a little bit high and low, that's totally fine. From here I will try to go between this, means under this line, not above this line. So I will make an arch over here. Here it will go all the way to here. Now we have to do the back one. For that you can draw one line here and erase everything from inside. The second one will start from here. This looks a little bit big to me, so let me do smaller and make this one a little bit bigger. So this one has to be smaller than this one. And cute tail here, another one from the back, and this one we can do. So rough drawing we are done. Now we have to do detailing. The way you like, you can do detailing. So suppose if you want to do some rectangle boxes and hexagon, it's like this one. So instead of that, I will try to do a little bit rough style like this. Not too much. Maybe I will just go here and I will make them a little bit bigger. And if you want to do double lines, you can do double lines over here. And the way you want to draw the eyes, you can draw the eyes. So I am done with my drawing part. So you can add whatever you like. So I did some circles here, some lines here, this one, and I different style. I'm going to try this style and these circles. And if I want eyelashes, so I have to make this area a little bit dark. So these lines, right? So first I will do this one and then curve, curve. This is curve here. So this is the line and this is the line. Another line here. So curve, curve. This line. First I will draw these ones.